Ahoy, fellow travelers! We are on Radiance of the Seas, and we are going to do a room tour of 8504. This is a spacious ocean view cabin, and this ship just got out of dry dock. And look, it's Valentine's Day. Here's my Valentine.
Hi.
So, obviously you have the door, because you have to be able to get out of the room. And then on the back, you have your information as to where your mustard is, which is deck 5 forward. So we're gonna go there next after this. So, you also have your magnet for when you're sleeping.
It's not double-sided.
No, it is not. Okay, so they just put that on there, I guess, when you, so they have these hooks, which look kind of industrial. Okay, Radiance is an older ship, so I guess we're just gonna have to accept it. That's fine. And then you have your closets on your left when you enter. You have your closets and you have shelves. So you do have a lot of storage space. And you have your life vest down here. Woohoo! And that's closet 1. Then you have your light switches. This one controls the ones by the curtain, and this one controls the main lights. Then the second one has your hanging space with lots of hangers. Then you have this that comes down, and you have this one that's broken. I'll just leave it up, that's fine. Then you have your bag for your laundry if you need it. You have Quinn waving at the mirror. All right, so now as you enter the room, and this is a spacious, so it is larger than a standard ocean view room. You have your small couch here. There's a full-size mirror here. You have your temperature controls here. I think this is the speaker for announcements. Yeah, it is. There's a little speaker icon over here. We're gonna mute that. Then you have your light switch. This is for the bathroom. You have this, which is just for the door handle, so it doesn't smash. Then you have your vanity. And of course, there are storage drawers. Here's your hair dryer. That's your continental breakfast menu.
Oh, we need to look at that.
You have 2 European outlets. This is the switch for the vanity. You have a bunch of network connections. Those are pointless. You have 2 US outlets. You have an ice may meet you thing. Okay, it's a sticker. Here you have 2 mirrors. And if I'm not mistaken, yep, you have shelving behind the mirrors. I'm pretty sure it's both sides. Other side. Yep, both sides. Then above the TV, you have your safe, and you have your more shelves. And for some reason, this thing's leaning slightly, so the safe keeps opening.
Yeah, I wish we had a little piece of tape. I want to put a Band-Aid on it.
It's going to be closed when we put stuff in it. Not putting a Band-Aid on it.
Why not?
Here's your tiny television. It's like a 32-inch.
Does it swing out?
Let's hope. Yeah, it's on an armature.
Okay.
Then you have more drawers over here, including a pull-out
Writing
shelf.
shelf.
And then you have your tiny refreshment center. It's a refreshment center. Continuing further in the room, you have a curtain. This is to separate. This couch is not, but I think they do have some of these rooms that are 4-person. Yeah, there's no Pullman beds. So they will have a bigger couch and you can open it and have 4 people. So the curtain is to give you some sort of separation, even though it doesn't go any further than this. This is a decorative curtain. Because it's Valentine's Day, they separated the beds for us.
Yay!
Happy Valentine's Day. And then of course you have your lights, and there are no plug outlets over here. This is an older ship. And then you have your controls for the reading light and the main light here. And then you have a big window. Whee! That's gonna blind everybody. All right. Whee! And we are at the wonderful Port Everglades. So all you're seeing outside right now is some palm trees. Now we're gonna go into the bathroom. This is one of those lovely ships that has a shower curtain. Yay, Royal Caribbean. Let's not update that. The ship just came out of dry dock, so of course they didn't bother updating that. And it's a good sized shower. It's basically the same size as our pod showers, just lacking the pod. And you have your hair and body wash. And this is adjustable, so you can adjust it up. It's a thing over here. You can adjust it up, and it's a wand. Pressure, temperature. Yeah, I got that right, I think. Pressure, if it's not, it's just reversed. You have your standard flushing toilet with your, don't rush to flush, so don't flush all that stuff. Your toilet paper, a little trash can, a little bit of storage under here, a little trash bin. So you have two. Standard sink. You have mirror, cabinet with shelves. And you got some decorations on the lines. 2 cups, hand soap. I think that's for tissue paper, but they don't have any in there. And standard towels. So that pretty much covers a spacious ocean view on Radiance of the Seas. And as always, join us on the next adventure.